Well, hello. I'm ready to celebrate the ramen. Today I'm going to be making a very exciting breakfast. It's like Huevos Rancheros. We're going to call it Huevos Rameneros. Let's do it! We're going to start by cooking 2 packets of ramen broken up to al dente. Save those seasoning packets. Crack 8 eggs into a bowl. 1.5 cups of milk, 1 of those chicken seasoning packets, dump the other one, and some cumin. Whisk that together. Add a little green onions to that egg mix, and a cup of cheese. I have a prepared bundt pan here. I'm going to sprinkle in a can of mild diced chilies onto the bottom. Drain those ramen noodles and pour it on top of those chili peppers. Then comes the egg mixture. I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to cook up some onions and a can of seasoned black beans. I flipped it onto a plate. Remove the top. Sprinkle the rest of that cheese on top. Spoon those beans and onions into the hole. And cover it with some more green onions. Huevos Rancheros. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Time to slice it. You can serve with salsa or sour cream. Absolutely stunning. I finally got around to watching that documentary on clocks. It's about time.